In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use promo code on Uber. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can save on your next ride in just a minute or two. I'll be using Uber's mobile website, but the flow is very similar in the app. The key is to add the promo to your account before you request a ride, so it's ready when you check out. Start by opening your mobile browser and going to m.uber.com. Make sure you're on Uber's official site and signed in to the correct account. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do that so your promo gets saved to your profile. It also helps to be in the right region for your code, since many promotions are country or city specific. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right. You'll see a profile icon, usually a small person's silhouette. Tap the drop down next to that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Uber groups your account settings, payment methods, and special offers. In that menu, tap Promotions. This section shows any credits or discounts already on your account and gives you a place to add new ones. It's a good spot to verify what you have available and when those promotions expire. Now you'll see a field to enter your promo code. Type or paste your code carefully. Watch out for extra spaces, hyphens, or mixed case letters. Codes can be sensitive to formatting. If you copied the code from an email or a trusted source, paste it directly to avoid typos. Remember, many codes are single-use, may require a minimum fare, or only work for certain ride types or delivery orders. When your code is entered, tap Apply. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message and the promotion will appear in your list with any terms and an expiration date. From here, just book a trip like you normally would. Uber will typically apply the best eligible promotion automatically at checkout, and you can review the fare estimate to confirm the discount is reflected before you request. If the code doesn't apply, check for common issues. It may be expired, already used on your account, limited to new users, restricted to a specific region, or tied to certain vehicles or a minimum fare. Correct any typos, confirm your account's country and city, and make sure you're using a payment method that meets the promo's requirements. That's it. Go to muber.com, open the account menu, choose Promotions, enter your code, and tap Apply. You'll be set to save on eligible rides whenever the terms match. Thanks for watching, and happy riding.